boss. Let's dance and boss. When it's boss in the house, so we're making it hot. Giving you what you need to do the afro bounce. So baby, dance and boss. Let's dance and boss. We don't care if you're fat, small or sexy, shorty. All you gotta do to the minute, shake your body, baby, dance and boss. Let's dance and boss. Life is how you want it to be. You can take it easy or be wild and free. However, you should never stand still. You got to live it, willing to feel that thrill. Got to catch the moment, guess life too short. I'ma see all that is before I leave this world. Feels like going too fast, you got to pause. Now pause, 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 pause. Dance in the club, dance in the streets. Anywhere you want, when you hear the beat. Dance for wellness to body and soul. You know all in is the way to go. You see it's a non-stop, can't stop now. Gotta make it to the top. So baby, dance and boss. Let's dance and boss. We don't care if you're fat, small or sexy, shorty. All you gotta do to the minute, shake your body, baby, dance and boss. Let's dance and boss. When it goes in the house, so we're making it hot. Giving you what you need to do the afro bounce. So baby, dance and boss. Let's dance and boss. We don't care if you're fat, small or sexy, shorty. All you gotta do to the minute, shake your body, baby, dance and boss. Let's dance and boss.
Thank you, Panitos, for that amazing performance. Now, it is time to hear from our founder, Jonas Erik Werner.
Members around the world. The period of time that is in front of us now will change the online networking industry forever. It will change online business. We will launch products and services that never been launched in this industry before. Millions and millions of people around the world will have the chance to change the future. First of all, we have Migster. And I know that you will have even more information about Migster today. But Migster is the ultimate online product. More than 2.5 billion people are doing it every day. We will also launch Epic Lotto this year. And beginning of next year, we will have premium games and a lot of other cool things together with Migster. I believe that we can have more than 25 million new members this year. Some of you maybe think it's only 90 days left, but 90 days is enough. We will change the history online, and we will write history, new history. But let's take a look on 2021 and 22, because we will not stop this year. Next year and the year after, we will go on breaking all records and deliver the absolutely best products and services online. So I give you this.
So a warm welcome to the talk show segment of this event where I'll be hosting interviews with some interesting Crowd One profiles. Now for today's event, over 20 of Crowd One presidents from around the world have flown in to share their expertise with us. And I have 3 of them with me right now. So a warm welcome. And I'll start with you, Magnus Larsson, and you received your ambassador title today.
Yes, finally.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And then we have the beautiful Rima Metzehamadi. Did I say that right?
That's right.
Et quelle belle robe. Look at that beautiful dress.
Thank you.
And then also Briand Letier. Bienvenue, Briand. And Briand, you're also one of the youngest Crowd One presidents. Now, I'm going to try, because we're going to do this interview in English, but I might actually address a question in French to Briand. But if we start off with just, looking, you're at the position of president title and ambassador title. Tell us a bit briefly about the journey from starting at Crowd One and then landing on the president title. If I start with you, Briand. The journey for the president title.
So, when you wake up in early morning, you know that you have a lot of duties that you need to do, because you set up your diary one day before. So every day you have duties, you have things to do. You manage a lot teams, organizing Zoom, daily Zoom, training also for the new members. So it's a lot of administration stuff also to do. And then support them for any event they do. This is the job of a president.
Yeah, exactly.
We are 24 hours on the phone. Yes.
24 hours on the phone.
Almost.
Almost.
I mean, yes.
And then Magnus, what about you on the ambassador role? How has sort of the road been from start to ambassador role?
Well, from my experience, it's so easy right now because I have the best team in the world working with me. Of course, these 2 here, it's a proof of that, and a lot of other people. But it's all about working with passion. Passion and support people, help people, make people grow and reach their goal and targets, and you will be next rank yourself. So that is more we work, and we have Zoom meetings, we have everything to communicate with people, and communication is very important skills as well. And but passion for helping people and trust the company and the products. That's how it is.
Passion is key. Briand, racontez-moi, comment tu démarrais Crowd One et est arrivé au statut de président?
Alors, j'ai démarré Crowd One l'année dernière, et donc j'ai mis 8 mois pour atteindre mon statut de président en étoile. Donc on a travaillé énormément, c'est vraiment un très très gros travail. On a mis des Zooms en place, des présentations, de la formation, donc on a formé nos équipes, et en 8 mois de travail, on a pu atteindre cette position. On a pu aider énormément de personnes à changer de qualité de vie, mais aussi à 3 choses qui m'ont beaucoup aidé, que j'ai pu retenir de toute cette expérience. C'est 3 mots, dont être, faire et avoir. Donc on apprend, on se forme, on investit en nous, bien évidemment. Ensuite, on met en pratique, on met en pratique ce qu'on a appris. Ensuite, on récolte le fruit de notre travail, tout simplement. Et c'est quelque chose c'est ce message qu'on passe aux équipes aussi, c'est que 80% de nos résultats résident dans la formation. Et bien sûr, 20% dans l'action. Et bien sûr, il faut travailler dur pour avoir ces résultats. Donc voilà comment j'ai pu atteindre mon statut de président.
20% d'action. Ça, c'est bon. Rian, if I ask you, let's talk a bit about the products that you work with. Could you share with us what products are you working with, and how is that going, if I start with you?
Yeah, I had experience with LifeTrans, famous product in our platform. I used almost twice per month, and I like it because we get it is a hotel, and we can get a good price, best price. It can go up to 90% of discount.
Wow.
With a membership,
Wow.
platinum membership. and very easy to use. When you log in on your platform, you just need to click and they transfer to you to the website. Easy to use, location, dates, and you can also book for someone else. That is something very fantastic. If your neighbor needed to travel for the next weekend, you can book for him and get commission also as well. That's nice.
Making it easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
That's for
and-
Crowd One, yeah.
yeah, they have a good service for support also for every thing about visa and passport formality. So they reply very quickly. It's a really, really good contract for our platform.
And Magnus, can you share another product?
Well, I tried live trains myself, and it's actually perfect. As a networker, what you do is you travel, you book hotels, you do everything. So it's a perfect tool for us as well as a product. And also the magazine is a perfect tool. Also, when you're meeting people, you can show it's a real magazine. And of course, one of the coolest products is coming. So we are looking really forward for that one.
Definitely. Brian, dis-moi, le success formula pour être présidente, c'est quoi pour toi?
Le succès pour être président, pour moi, c'est déjà d'y croire déjà qu'on peut être président, et bien sûr travailler en conséquence. C'est-à-dire qu'on a des rêves, des objectifs, des buts, mais pour les atteindre, il faut mettre des actions en place à l'équivalent de ce que l'on souhaite, tout simplement. Donc pour moi, tout part de l'intérieur pour le créer, bien évidemment, à l'extérieur. Donc, encore une fois, de mettre en pratique ce que l'on a appris pour pouvoir atteindre nos buts, nos rêves, nos objectifs. Encore une fois, pour moi, personne ne fait Crowd One que pour faire Crowd One. On le fait tous pour nos propres buts et rêves personnels. Et donc, une fois qu'on a trouvé notre pourquoi, on est motivé et on a envie encore d'avancer, d'atteindre ces objectifs. Et aussi, c'est lorsqu'on applique tout ça, on enseigne à nos membres dans l'exemple. Et donc les gens, ils appliquent également cette même stratégie. Ils découvrent leurs objectifs et ils ont juste à passer à l'action pour pouvoir les atteindre, tout simplement.
Passions, dreams, actions, and objectives. So if I ask you, Rian, what is your success formula?
Passion. Wake up with passion. Be determined and being focused every day. You cannot succeed this activity if you are not passionate, you don't love people, you are not close with them, you don't take your time for them. Taking time with them is something natural. You do it without even waiting for someone to knock and ask for you. The success is, how can I say, like he said, Brian, when you are feeling successful, when you wake up and you feel yourself a success,
you have that
person,
state of mind.
you have it, you can attract it, and you can be successful.
The law of attraction. What about you, Magnus?
Well, as we all mentioned here, it's the passion, right? It's passion for different things, but support, helping people, of course, passion for your company. But of course, it helps also that we have actually the coolest products and the best opportunity there is out there. Timing is also very important. For myself, when I saw Crowd One the first time, I was ready because I was hungry. I really want to do this. So for me, it's all in combination. And the perfect way to do it is here in Crowd One.
And last but not least, there's going to be an exciting launch of Mixter. And I heard that you've actually test tried this gaming platform. So let's start with the girls or the women. What was it like, Mixter?
It was easy to use, to log in. We had fun for some few hours. And it doesn't take a long time to be connected with streaming.
Yeah.
And I played soccer. I won.
Of course.
And no, nice product.
Yeah.
We have shown so many games are already into the application, and that's.
I mean, it was a huge privilege, of course, to be one of the 3 that actually managed to try this product, and it's addictive. I can say like
It's
that.
addictive.
It's really fun. So yeah, looking forward to a really good launch on that one.
Definitely. Et Brian, racontez-moi ton expérience sur le test de jeu de la plateforme externe.
Ben, à ma grande surprise, on a pu effectivement le tester et c'est vraiment quelque chose d'énorme. Plusieurs jeux accessibles, des informations également et des challenges au niveau des jeux qui sont accessibles dessus. Donc comme le foot, ce type de jeux qui sont accessibles dessus. Donc je ne donnerai pas plus d'informations. Donc il faut être présent à la prochaine, au prochain événement pour assister à tout ça.
So
Passion, but also listen and follow your leaders, and like you said, also log in every Sunday to work.
Really important to success of this business. If you just get on board without any knowledge about the ethic, especially ethic, the respect from each other, it's really, really important when you want to keep your team for a long time, for long term. Also being passionate, also testing product. Also, we are not only people to sell, but we can also customers. First customer, of course, can use those products and test, so we can have a way to explain our prospect how we use it and how we feel it. So and passion.
passion, testing, be dedicated, have ambition, and above all, have fun, right? So thank you so much for joining the panel and for coming to Sweden today. And with that, I hand over the word to Johan.
I fundamentally believe in people. I believe people have much more in them than what they know themselves. I believe that the injustice in life is that a lot of people do not even ever get the chance of trying. And a lot of people don't even try to try. They never get in there. They never do their best. And sometimes because they never get the opportunity, other times because they just don't understand that the opportunity is right there, right in front of them. It's just about to take the chance and go for it. Short-term thinking makes people desperate, ungenerous, impulsive. Long-term thinking makes people calm and gracious and controlled. They will help people. They will see that they're part of a bigger picture, that we do things together, that we help the ones below us, and that we take help from the ones on top. We can do this together.
let's hear from Hannah about what to expect for the coming events.
I have many times before encouraged you to get tickets for the events and watch together with your team. And also, you noticed today when you logged on, you could enter how many people you're watching with today. And I really hope you entered, because this is a way for us to see how many you're enjoying our trainings, the motivation, entertainment together with. Every month we put together events for you to watch, and I encourage you to do it to a happening with everyone around you and your team. It's a great prospecting tool and to show what Crowd One really is. I am sure that you found today's information very inspiring and useful. And this month, one thing in particular will have full focus. It's the Migster Spinner, right? And I actually have a friend with me here today. Oh wow, hi, Max Migster. It's so great to see you. I'm super excited about the Migster Spinner. Are you excited?
Oh yes, I'm ready. I can't wait to see you all on the 14th of November. And good luck on the Migster Spinner. Don't forget to register today.
You heard Max. Don't forget to register today. And now, let's see how the Migster Spinner works.
The Migster invitation. Register by clicking the Migster banner in your back office. This will unlock your claim of rewards and residual income. Here, you will get access to an invite link. Share it with as many people as you can, because everyone is welcome, even if they are not Crowd One members. Climb the Migster leaderboard by inviting people. For every new accepted registration, you will climb to the next level and receive 100 rewards. Everyone starts at level 1. Once you have reached level 5, you have the chance to win amazing prizes. Good luck and have fun!
And yet another amazing event has come to an end, and we hope it's given you both inspiration, insights, motivation, and new energy. Exciting days ahead going forward with the soon-to-be launch of Migster in November at our event then, and I encourage you all to go in and register for the Migster Spinner. If you want more information on the mechanics around Migster, check out the back office.
And the tickets for the 14th of November are already available, so make sure to claim your free ticket today to be part of the rollout of Migster. It's truly going to be a spectacular event, and you don't want to miss it. So, thank you all for joining us today, and don't forget that it's together, in unity, we can make a difference.
And as Johan mentioned in his video earlier on, stay motivated, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time. And what better way to end this day than with the voice of the wonderful Linda Pritchard.
It's complicated, it always is. It's just the way it goes. It's like I waited so long for this. I wonder if it shows. And I don't wanna, now I can breathe. You never felt so good. And I can feel it coming over me. I would've stopped it if I could. When love takes over, I know you can't deny. When love takes over, 'cause something's here tonight. takes over, when love takes over, 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 takes over, something's here tonight.
Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching our 5th online event in Crowd One. Thank you. Shout out to Bahrain team.